This video we will see the product review of Samsung Galaxy A23 5G. The Samsung Galaxy A23 5G is a mid-range 5G smartphone. It is designed for users who want the fast connectivity, good performance and great features at an affordable price. This smartphone offers a large display, decent cameras and a long-lasting battery, making it a good choice for everyday use. Now we will see the product features. This smartphone has sleek and modern design with glass front and plastic back. This smartphone is lightweight and comfortable to hold. This smartphone comes with 6.6-inch LCD display with 120 Hz refresh rate. The screen is bright and smooth, great for watching videos and gaming. This smartphone has quad rear camera setup and it has 50 MP main camera, 8 MP ultra wide camera, 2 MP macro camera and 2 MP depth sensor. And it also has 13 MP front camera for selfies. The camera support 1080 pixel video recording and features like night mode for better low light photos. This smartphone is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 695 chipset processor with 4 GB or 6 GB or 8 GB RAM and 64 GB or 128 GB storage. And it is expandable up to 1 TB via micro SD card. The phone handles everyday tasks and light gaming smoothly. This smartphone comes with 5000 mAh battery and it supports 25-watt fast charging. Ensure the phone lasts all day. This smartphone runs on Android 12 operating system and upgradable up to Android 14 with One UI 6 and it offers a clean and user-friendly interface. Connectivity supported are 5G, Wi-Fi 5, Bluetooth 5.2 and NFC. This smartphone includes 3.5 mm headphone jack and side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Weight is 197 grams. What are the pros of this smartphone? First point is affordable 5G. The phone offers 5G connectivity at a budget-friendly price. Second point is smooth display. The 120 Hz refresh rate makes the screen feel smooth and responsive. Third point is long battery life. The 5000 mAh battery lasts all day and 25-watt fast charging refills it quickly. Fourth point is good cameras. The 50 MP main camera takes sharp photos and night mode improves low light photography. Fifth point is expandable storage. The phone supports micro SD cards up to 1 TB, giving you plenty of space for apps, photos, and videos. Sixth point is long software update. The Samsung promises up to 4 years of OS upgrades and 5 years of security updates, which ensure device longevity. What are the cons of this smartphone? First point is plastic build. The phone has a plastic back which feels less premium compared to the glass or metal. Second point is LCD display. The LCD screen is less vibrant compared to AMOLED displays. Third point is mid-range processor. The Snapdragon 695 processor is good for everyday tasks but may struggle with heavy gaming. Fourth point is no stereo speakers. The phone has a single speaker which does not provide best audio experience. What are the customer positive feedbacks? First point is value for money. Many users appreciate the 5G connectivity and 120 Hz display at an affordable price. Second point is smooth performance. The 120 Hz display and 4 GB to 8 GB RAM make the phone feel fast and responsive. Third point is good battery life. The users love the 5000 mAh battery and fast charging. Fourth point is decent cameras. The 50 MP camera and night mode are priced for taking clear and vibrant photos. Fifth point is expandable storage. The ability to add micro SD card is a big plus for users who need extra storage. In US, this smartphone price ranges from $170 to $250. In India, this smartphone price ranges from 14,888 rupees to 22,999 rupees.